Approximately 70 to 100,000 Americans have sickle cell disease, the most common form of an inherited blood disorder. Clinical trials are providing access to experimental therapies, even potential cures. In today's HealthCast, medical specialist Kristi Krueger tells us about a breakthrough right here in South Florida.
Since birth, Brenda Alfaro has faced an uphill battle against sickle cell disease.
Monthly, I was in the hospital, monthly, admitted with crisis, like really bad crisis.
The disease is caused by a mutation in the hemoglobin molecule.
It takes an abnormal shape and makes the cells stretch out and rupture. It takes a sickle cell shape, but it also damages the membranes, it damages all the other blood vessels it comes in contact with.
The only chance for a cure involves a bone marrow transplant, but that's typically limited to children. Fortunately for Brenda, the Sylvester Comprehensive Cancer Center is part of a clinical trial called STRIDE-2, focusing on bone marrow transplants for adults. And her brother William was a match.
She had her transplant in December. She was hospitalized from mid-December till the beginning of January, and she's been doing very well since then.
The process is far from easy. First, Brenda underwent multiple intensive rounds of chemotherapy to clear her body of all her cells so that she would be ready to receive new normal cells through a transplant.
It takes a while for those stem cells to repopulate her marrow, and in that period she's very immune suppressed, she's very weak, she's in a special isolation room.
The chemo was giving me a lot of pain that I couldn't move, I couldn't talk.
Now, 3 months after the transplant, Brenda is celebrating a new chance at life.
I can't believe it that we have the opportunity to have a different life with a cure.
On the horizon are clinical trials involving gene editing. That's where the patient's own stem cells are removed and then introduced to a corrected gene in a laboratory and then put back into the patient, providing another possible path to a cure. With your health news, I'm Kristi Krueger.